What's holding you back? What's the dream that you wish you had chased and achieved this year? Whether that's financial or relational or business wise. I used to think that you kind of had to follow the mold. You had to go to college, you had to get a degree, you had to get a job, you had to follow each of these steps: date, get married, have kids, rent an apartment, buy a house, buy a bigger house, buy a bigger car. And that if you didn't, you might get lost or judged or not have the community or the things that you think would fulfill you. But what I have found is that in chasing the dreams and the things that are important to you, you will actually create a life that you love living. So if there is something that you wanted last year and you didn't chase it, well then now is your chance. A new year is starting. Chase it this year. Go for it and don't hold back.